Hey, Carl White here, sitting in the kitchen going over questions some people have asked, and man, this is a great question coming from a loan officer. Carl, do you have like a formula that you use to get real estate agents to start referring to you? And I do, and this is a great question because 67% of all purchase business is closed by the loan officer that the real estate agent recommended. So 2/3. So this is a great thing to get into. Here's my formula. I don't think I've ever shared this before. The formula is PASTOR. So the P stands for problem. And it's recognize the pain or the problem that the real estate agent has and emphasize with them. So show some empathy toward them. So for instance, they might say, like a big complaint of real estate agents is, I send over a lead to a loan officer and I never hear back from them. So I would recognize the pain. I'd say, wow, so when you refer over a lead and they don't get back with you, you might be missing a closing, which could easily be $5,000-$10,000 commission. That can't be good, right? So the A is amplify, or sometimes we call it twisting the knife, right? Sounds kind of uncool, but twisting the knife. So one of the secrets in sales is not to say how cool you are, but how the long-term effects of not working with you might be costing them a problem. So I'd say, if that was to happen even one time a month, that could be $6,000 a month, 6 times 12. That could be $72,000 that you're missing. Gee, what would you do with $72,000, right? Twisting the knife a little bit. So the S in the T is story and testimonial. So it's kind of the same thing. So story and testimonial. This is where you tell a story of how you helped solve that problem for somebody in the past. This reminds me of when I started working with real estate agent Sue. She had this exact same problem, and when she started referring over to us, we found that we converted those referrals at 25%. So for every 8 referrals she sent over, Real Estate Sue went to 2 closings. If they averaged $6,000 per commission each, that was an extra $12,000 per month. That's like $150,000 a year. Boy. And so now it's the offer, which is the benefits of working with you. So O is offer. So man, what if you were to send those referrals over to me, if these convert anywhere close to what they did with Realtor Sue, we would close, likely, my prediction is, somewhere around 1 out of every 4. And so what I'd like you to start doing is every time you get a borrower lead, send them my way so I can help get you to the closing table. And then R is response, which means take action. So start doing that like right away, like have a deadline, which would be like right away. So problem, amplify, testimonial, offer, and then response, take action now. So that's my PASTOR. So put that in use. Hey, if you'd like to do a little phone role play where I can map this out in a little bit more detail, there's a link somewhere on this page, or you can go to freedomclubdemo.com, and we'll walk you through exactly how we do our Freedom Club members for free. No better way to demonstrate you can help somebody than actually help them, and I'll walk you through this process. So click on the button, see you inside.